New parts. High performance at high pressure. Rebuilding an interstage valve head. As always, and for your safety, before you start any service work, be sure to turn off any power, depressurize anything you're working on, and be careful of hot surfaces. Remove the valve head. Before you start the project, we suggest placing location marks on head and cylinder. This can be done by using a sitter punch and making matching peen marks on each component. Make a single mark on the first stage components, 2 marks on second stage, 3 on third, and so forth. When reassembling, simply realign the marks. The first step in this project is to remove the valve head from your compressor. Loosen the tubing connections using your 19mm wrench. Once loose, you can turn them out by hand and then pull the tubes out of the way. The fitting on top will also have to be removed. The fitting may have a simple block or cap like this one, or it may have a relief valve or a gauge connection. In any event, remove whatever is connected there. Remove the head bolts using the 6mm Allen key. If the head is stuck in place as a result of the silicone sealant, give it a sharp tap using the wrench or a mallet. After removing the head from the compressor, let's bring it to the workbench to continue the job. It is a good idea to put a rag across the bench vise to protect the smooth surfaces of the parts you're working on. To grip the head in the vise, insert 2 of the head bolts that you removed earlier into the head on opposing sides. Remove the discharge valve. First, remove anything on the exhaust valve side of the head, such as the exhaust nut and the fitting. We'll do that using the 19mm wrench. You'll notice inside the exhaust cavity is the valve seat. Using our O-ring pick, this is made of brass and has smooth rounded edges and is perfect for this job because it won't scar or damage any other harder parts. This tool is available from New Parts. Remove the seat and the gasket. Sometimes these parts can be resurfaced and reused, but this is not cost effective and it's more prudent to replace with fresh parts. Next, inspect the bottom surface of the valve cavity. Make sure there are no pits or grooves. Occasionally, a groove will wear into the side of the discharge valve cavity. If that happens, you will have to condemn the valve head.